Now when it comes to painting, we do suggest using some primer just to make sure that the paint adheres properly. You can even use primer filler because then you can sand the part even more after to remove even more layer lines. And then when it comes to painting, it's going to be a little bit artistic here, but airbrushing seems to be the best when it comes to delivering an even coverage. And also it allows you to add some shading and that sort of fun stuff to your print to give even better effects. But you can hand paint. I've personally used acrylics, but there may be better options out there. Model paints seem to work great, but they obviously do cost more money. And then you can even just spray paint your print as well. That seems to work quite well. The biggest tip I can give is to make sure you wait a long enough period of time before you add a second coat or a clear coat. Don't get overly anxious. You can ruin all of the work that you put into it up until that point. Make sure you wait the proper amount of time for the paint to dry. To note, just like gluing flexible filaments together, painting flexible filaments can also be quite difficult because they will crack when you flex them. And even though I have painted dozens of projects just like this Captain America, I am definitely not an expert. So there's probably even better resources you can get out there for getting the fine details on a paint like this. But these are some generic tips for how to post-process, sand out those layer lines, combine two different parts together, and then paint your 3D print.